Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use public phones in Japan. While mobile phones are common, knowing how to use a public phone can be very helpful in an emergency or if your battery dies. These phones are surprisingly easy to operate once you understand the basic steps. We'll cover finding a phone, understanding the types, and making a call with coins or a phone card. Let's get started with the first step. To make a local call, first locate a public phone, typically green or gray. Insert either a 10 yen or 100 yen coin into the slot. Listen for the dial tone, then simply dial the local phone number you wish to reach. The phone will automatically deduct coins as your conversation progresses. If you insert a 100 yen coin for a short call, any unused amount will be returned as change after you hang up. For international calls, you'll need to find a gray public phone or a green one specifically marked for international use. Begin by dialing 001, followed by the country code of your destination. Next, enter the area code and then the specific phone number. Be aware that international calls consume coins much faster than local calls, so having plenty of 100 yen coins or an international telephone card is advisable for longer conversations. Here are a few final tips for using public phones in Japan. Always wait for the dial tone before you start dialing to ensure the phone is ready. Remember to collect any change that is returned after your call, especially if you used a 100 yen coin for a short conversation. Public phones are a reliable backup, so knowing how to use them is a great skill. Also, for those interested in improving their financial literacy, check the description below for a link to a highly recommended book and other helpful deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.